Hey guys, how you doing? I just wanted to give a quick update on Quantum Meow, our Solana-powered quantum computing community, and our plans to develop Quantum Meow into a major DeSci platform. So, I guess one of the things is, first question is for many people who may be not familiar, what is DeSci in crypto? DeSci means decentralized science, and it basically is taking research out of the old gatekeepers' hands and putting it on the blockchain. So instead of having big universities and big pharma, drug companies controlling everything, we're talking about open funding, transparent data, and community actually governs how the science gets done. I mean, a basic way of trying to figure what is DeSci, think of it as open source quantum community. So how big is DeSci now and where's it going? Right now, we're already seeing DeSci tokens worth hundreds of millions combined. Some estimates put the whole sector around $500 million to $1 billion. But here's the exciting part. Analysts are predicting explosive growth through 2026 and beyond. We're watching research DAOs pop up, IP NFTs launching, and yes, DeSci meme coins hitting exchanges. This space is early and it's about to get a lot bigger. So why is Quantum Meow perfect for DeSci? Here's the thing. Quantum computing sounds scary and technical, but Quantum Meow is building an easy on-ramp. We're looking to make quantum and AI research accessible to regular people, not just PhD holders. And we're not stopping there. We're going to be having some more news on this, but we're planning to launch a global university program of actual quantum research hubs at campuses and universities worldwide. Students, developers, enthusiasts, all connected through our ecosystem through special academic research team NFTs. That we can kind of connect these little hubs at each university, have their own little Quantum Meow quantum hubs. We'll start in the US and then maybe universities overseas in Berlin and London. And all kind of connected together by these special academic NFTs under Quantum Meow. So that's how you build a movement, not just a token. So how will Quantum Meow token actually work? Think of Quantum QMEOW as the key to the quantum DeSci universe or ecosystem. So these are just general real use cases. Obviously, there could be more as we go along, but in general, access passes. You hold QMEOW to unlock quantum dashboards, AI tools, and research portals. That's the easiest way. You Web3 it, gated access passes. You have to own QMEOW to get in. Gateway payments. Use QMEOW for subscriptions to not just ours, but other APIs, bots, and education tools across our ecosystem and other ecosystems. So we're not just looking to build something like Quantum Meow, but if there are other quantum developers out there that want to integrate QMeow into their ecosystems to access their bots or APIs, by all means, we want to have as many people integrate this thing into many use cases. See QPU workload access. Execute real quantum computing jobs on our QPUs pay-as-you-go with QMeow or NFT holders, getting batch access. We're actually going to be looking to purchase up a portfolio of QPUs and then resell them as workloads on a pay-as-you-go service. So if someone has a quantum circuit or a quantum program they want to run, it can get very expensive. They could use us as a pay-as-you-go, and we go from there. Then a data marketplace, you can unlock research feeds, Qiskit code snippets, debugging help, and curated data sets. So, maybe you're looking for a little widget of an existing Qiskit code someone made for a quantum app. You can go into our quantum code library on our Discord, get that. Or maybe you're working on a code and you're like, I don't know what's wrong with it. There's something wrong with it. Well, you can bring it, post it up to the community, and the QMeow community can say, listen, if you move this here, you put a bracket there and change that. That can really help, developers kind of fine tune their applications and, really help on development. Think of it as Quantum Meow as almost the Stack Overflow of quantum computing. And then developer rewards, build Web 2 friendly quantum apps, integrate QMeow, earn from the community. So it's not just us building applications. We want others to use QMeow, whether they integrate it into their apps, they use it as a payment or a tipping fee. That's the holy grail. Sure, we're going to try to build some things, show some marketplace, but there may be ways of using QMEOW that we're not even thinking of and that others go. And that's what we want. We want people to kind of come in, integrate this into their ecosystem in the quantum development and use it in unique ways. And then we could share it on the community, how other people are using the token. So in short, you want to think QMEOW as the leading DeSci player in quantum research. That's what we're aiming for. There's really no one out there, not many out there, if anyone, doing this. So, QMEOW is one of the few and first players in this. And, think of us as one of the leading DeSci players in quantum research. And when you think of that, you realize there's a huge potential going forward here for this community. And, we have our partners in place with being a partner of the IBM Business Partner Program, NVIDIA Partner Program, and the Google Cloud Partner Program. So we have the infrastructure to build off and run these workloads. And, we're going to try to work on building quantum infrastructure as a service through QMEOW. Well, that's the quick update. I really think, that's something that we're going to really try to run with. DeSci is a really hot topic in crypto, and I think really fashioning Quantum Meow as one of the leading DeSci communities, not just on Solana, but anywhere in the crypto world around quantum computing could really put us on the map. And that's just the plan we have. And we'll probably have some more updates, specifically around our university program. And we want to thank you. Make sure you follow us at quantummeow.com.